Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Falk and I wanted to make a quick video about some options you have in Google Classroom that allow you to manage how many emails you get through Google Classroom. So this is a test student page in Google Classroom and this is the home page. At the very bottom of the left-hand column is a settings option. When you open that, you'll see a notifications section and it says email. So here is where you can determine what emails you want to get from Google Classroom. You can turn off the allow email notifications. Now, I don't necessarily recommend that. What that means is you will receive no email notifications at all. Take a look and classes you're enrolled in, work and other posts from teachers. This you may want to turn off. So if you arrive in class and you open Google Classroom and the work is there, you don't necessarily need to receive an email. Returned work and grades, depending on how your teacher is using it, you may or may not want that. Invitations to join a class as a student. Most of our instructors use a code at the beginning of the year to ask you to get in. Due dates, reminders of your work. Maybe you want to turn all of those off. And maybe you want to leave on comments on your post, comments that mention you, and private comments on work. You would like to get an email about that as you're working on an assignment. So you do have some options there. You determine what you want turned off and on. The other thing you could do is class notifications. So you could select a class, and these are two test classes that I have. You could decide, I don't want any notifications from one class, and you could turn that off and you would receive no notifications from that class. So maybe you have a teacher that does use private comments on work and you would like to leave those notifications to come to email, but you have another teacher that doesn't do that. So you'd just like to get nothing from that class. That would be an option to do as well. So take a look at Google Classroom settings, manage the email notifications that you receive so that your email inbox is not full of things that you don't need, which is causing perhaps you not finding and seeing quickly the things that you do need. I hope that helps.